Nhất xa sự hở chính em mà đem cái chính nhập.
Hằng nghe lại phim ngay sẽ.
Bác có bài bên mình nghe. Nãy thì bro chính em nhìn hấp xin nhau cái tay pop. Bác cầm bà bà chung
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjaslian Omrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Then we have the award for Leadership in Local Services and Community Support for Tourists in Northeast region. That goes to Anything Northeast. And I'd like to call upon Royal Vincent Laloo.
Kalalong kijing sarong ke jela Meghalaya hadir muba Royal Vincent Laloo. Bulong nong sing ya ke Anything Northeast na Shillong. Loyo pediang ek khusnam Rising Northeast Business Excellence Award ara cara punriu ha ke jingalang kablalong. Radisson Blue Hotel, Hanong Ba Guwahati, Assam. Kidon dikis pangut ginong syangshnong hakeleng kijela, kathan jete lamingi, kata, na Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Bat Sikkim. Kibalong ginong sing kijait kamba pher. Kibalayo pediang, ekusnam haka Rising Northeast Business Excellence Award arajar arpunriu. Hagan kajanmit, kipuran mapaw Hakhmat kejela Assam, Barsha Rani Bishaya, Pagadiplina Deka, Galong Kongsan Hakabaglasam Yakusnam. Wayas Mohammed ubalong founder but organizer haba ajingkran haganiga jingalang ulong magathan jate lamingi klapaw kum kapedeng jogino shoshnong kibudan yakisap kipong bapher banle kikam babunjat kiba ajumentoy ikiparabriu hakibabun kiliang.
Respected dignitaries, our esteemed chief guest Bosharani Bishya and Diplina Deka ma'am, honored awardees, partners, media friends, and all our guests. A very warm welcome to you all. Today is not just about awards. Today is about recognizing courage. The courage it takes to start a business, to survive challenges, to create jobs, and to keep believing even when the odds are not in your favor. The Northeast India has always been rich in talent, ideas, and entrepreneurial spirit. What it needed was a platform that gives visibility, credibility, and recognition. And that belief gave the birth to the Rising Northeast Business Excellence Award. Each business owner present here represents a story of resilience, innovation, and commitment. You are not just building companies, you are building the future of this region. We are honored to have icons of Assamese cinema, Bosharani Bishya ma'am and Diplina Deka ma'am. Thank you for coming today. Your presence adds grace, inspiration, and pride to the celebration of excellence. I would like to thank our co-sponsor NEOR for the given support. I would also like to thank our official TV media partner Prague News for amplifying these success stories and helping them reach millions. The event like this cannot be success without the committed partners. And I would like to thank our event partners, Event Mass, and PR and media relation partner Upanjali PR and Communication for all the support. To all our awardees, the recognition is not the destination. It is a milestone. May this moment inspire you to think bigger, grow stronger, and lead with purpose. On behalf of prestigious Fair PR, thank you for trusting us and being part of this journey. Thank you and enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Then we have the award for Leadership in Local Services and Community Support for Tourists in Northeast region. That goes to Anything Northeast. And I'd like to call upon Royal Vincent Laloo.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.